my name is Girl, and in this video, I'm creating this video to explain the contents of the WhatsApp automation. Now, it's loaded. You can see when you visit the WhatsApp automation group after you pay for the particular class. So you just scroll up, you scroll down, you find the particular place that I included the bronze. Okay, I think this is okay. Okay, this is the bronze package. Yeah. So after making payments, you first go to the bronze package. Now, the very first thing you click is when you click name to direct you to a channel. Now, in this channel, I'm not supposed to be exposing this, but let me just show you a bit now so that you can see what you're missing. This topic is on name alone. Can you see? Let's keep scrolling. If I keep scrolling down, 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 you can see I'm also adding voice notes. Now, moving to another topic, branding. Everything you saw above was just two topics. Now we're moving down to three, branding. Talking about branding, about human behaviors, still scrolling. You find a voice note as well underneath. Okay, two voice notes. Relationship with fans via. We're still on number five. We're still going. You can see this is in fact so much loaded for you. It is not a PDF file. If you are send if you buy a course, what they will just do is send you a PDF file. But my course is not like that. Can you can you okay? This is a video. This is a video as well on what okay, I don't know what that is about, but let's just keep let's continue. So this talks about automation for YouTube and automation for WhatsApp. This is for automations, and I think that's the end for this particular class. Okay, that should be the end. Okay, there are still more videos. In fact, 8 minutes video, 14 minutes video under bronze class, still under bronze class. Can you imagine? Now, if you're going to after you are done with the class, underneath you will find a button that will help you navigate through the channel perfectly. So here's it. Let's scroll down a bit. Scrolling down a bit. Okay, here's it. So after talking about the 10 topics, then the concept of automation, we find topics like okay, mods and pro application, forwarding to 250 chat at once, clouding any information in links, WhatsApp without receiving status, contact me and pay for diamond package. So these 10 topics alone contains 10 board topics which I created write-ups and then voice notes on it. So let's just check this mods and prop. No, let's check clouding links information. So it directs you to a video. So if I have to go back to that original location, I'm using a laptop, so it's not very easy to like navigate. I said you are using a phone. So that's just how the bronze is about. Then you pay for the diamond package. So let's go back and then let's see what happens in the diamond package. So let's scroll down a bit. Let's scroll down a bit. Okay. Okay, I've scrolled too much. I think this is okay. This is the bronze. Sorry, finding it difficult to scroll perfectly here. So I think okay, this is the yeah. Okay, so we don't scroll up. So this place, this particular arena, is that about? Sorry, let me scroll up. I'm very sorry for that. Okay, we are going to the bronze package right now. So here's the bronze package. Now, one of the topics that you can find there is how to create the WhatsApp, how to start a WhatsApp TV, how to start a Telegram bot. I'm intentionally not using a list area so you can see my face, you see it. If you can't, you can. So how to create the Telegram bot, on ban permanent band lines, WhatsApp marketing strategies, 40 minutes audio course on making sales. Can you just imagine? 100 list broadcasting without ban. You know, if you are sending a broadcast normally and without the knowledge of WhatsApp automation, you might get a ban. But when I teach you this, I'm very sure you won't get a ban. I've sent broadcast to as much as 120 and I didn't get a ban. Although it's not my main line because my main line has to be respected. I can't just be sending broadcasting to people's DM anyhow. So let's go to how to start a WhatsApp TV. So we're starting from it. So once you click on that button, to direct you to the group automatically because you've been a member of the group, you've joined the group, you've gained access. So from here, it started from how to start a WhatsApp TV from scratch. So please view the lessons on the bronze and preliminary tutorials before listening to the audio course because the initial group you joined, the course I took you through, the one you got in the main group, is also very loaded. I need to listen to it before you continue. So including using a QR code to attract more influence. So this is a 28-minute audio course. Can you just imagine 28-minute audio course? So how to set up a WhatsApp TV. So let me start scrolling. Okay, so let's keep scrolling down, down, down. So I'm even giving you templates for referral contest here. And all this is still talking about WhatsApp TV. So should in case everything WhatsApp TV, how to set up WhatsApp TV. So now we'll go to how to create a Telegram bot and still scrolling. So I don't want my data to waste. So these are two videos on how to create a Telegram bot, how to unban WhatsApp contact. Oh, let me just scroll. And then this is the original video on how to unban a WhatsApp contact. So let's scroll away from that. This is another video, and this video talks about unbanning WhatsApp contact again, the old version and the new version. So unbanning WhatsApp contacts has three, in fact, three updated. Can you imagine? Marketing strategies. You have okay, I've scrolled too much, I've scrolled too much, I've scrolled too much. So let's scroll up, let's scroll up back, let's scroll up, let's scroll up. So okay, marketing strategies, article, WhatsApp article. Okay, can you imagine about four articles on marketing strategies in my WhatsApp automation group? So let's go, let's go, let's go. So there we find okay, we're still scrolling. WhatsApp automation. So okay, I've scrolled too much, I've scrolled too much, I've scrolled too much, I've scrolled too much. And these are the members that have paid, and this is the discussion. These are discussion. Okay, that some people like they're asking for direction of what to do. So this is how to design Canva, how to design Pixel Lab, excessive promotion. Imagine a lot of videos here. Can you see? So let's move out of here. Let's go to bronze package and just see what is loaded in the bronze package right now. So we're moving down here. So welcome to the golden package tutorial. Make sure you have studied both the content in the preliminary and diamond classes. And then we move over to the diamond package, the the golden package itself. So scrolling down this by this. So the very first topic you can find here is building up to 100 groups. How I built up to 100 groups in 3 months. Now saving contact automatically. Permanent event links. How you can create permanent event links for your group. So you can just imagine I have 100 groups and then WhatsApp bank my contact. Then I have to start creating the like copying out each link for each group. So once you have permanent invite groups, you can invite links, you can copy everything at a particular time and then just store it in a particular place, which I also teach in the WhatsApp automation, set at a particular time. And anytime you want to pick this particular topic, you just select it and then you can copy it in a group. So 40,000 contact, and it's also useful because if you place adverts now and you place it on someone's Telegram group or someone's WhatsApp group, so there's possibility that your WhatsApp gets banned and then your invite links get lost. But when you're having permanent invite links for life, people can still be joining your group, even if it's a Telegram channel or WhatsApp group. So I can give you a 40,000 for contacts file right here. Going viral, I'll teach you how to go viral on WhatsApp and also social media. Creating write-ups, congratulations. That is after you've successfully taken the course. And there are still other bonuses if you scroll down right here. Let's scroll down. They are also in the golden package. So I will just continue giving you lifetime updates on how to get this WhatsApp automation perfected on your WhatsApp. So this is people who subscribe to the premium golden package get access to any automation updates without having to pay an extra fee, which means they're getting access to a lifetime opportunity to automate your business and work effectively for the cheapest rate. So grab whatever discount you see and be a member right now. So the first thing is WhatsApp AI Chat GP. Now, when I got this particular offer, I was trying to at least half of my time on WhatsApp. So I was earning and at the same time I was saving my time and energy and I was investing in another kind of business. You understand? So it's if you have been spending 6 hours on WhatsApp before on your WhatsApp business, if you get this particular thing, it responds to your customer time can even save as much as 5 hours out of 6 hours that you've been using for your business. So that is it. You respond to your chat to your customers. There are sometimes you might be short of words, you might be short of voice notes, you might be short of you might just get stranded, you don't know what to reply. The chat GP will do the work for you and it's automatic. You don't have to start setting it after you've done the setup from the beginning. So auto saving contacts, if you want to save contacts, auto tagging group members like I do, you just imagine I can just tag everyone in the group. So if you've been in the group since last time, you've archived the group. Once I tag you, you find the message popping up on your notification and everyone will see any message I tag you on. So that's it. So group grabber, like if you want to save everyone, if for instance I place adverts now and I want to save everyone's contacts. So this is it. They enter my they enter my DM. I'm just teaching you sales funnel. I'm also teaching you for free. So they enter my DM first. Once they enter my DM, then I direct them to the group. Once they enter the group, Everyone must have saved my contacts before I give them access to the group. So instead of me saving their contacts one by one, just imagine saving 1,000 people contacts one by one. No. But once they enter the group, you know that those that enter the group are the serious ones. Then what you are going to do is you go to the group, you save all of them, you save all their contacts. Within 5 minutes, it's done. And you save them to your contact list as your leads. So that's how simple it's about. So clearing broadcast junk. You can imagine you are using WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp has been installed for over a year. I want to clear your junks away. So how are you going to do that? I'm going to teach you. So as possibility, I send a message to over 400 people right now, and I clear it immediately away from my phone. So there's a way you can do that. It's also in this particular place. Now, this offline automation is so much, it's so much, in fact, it's just so much loaded. But it's very, very, very unique because you can be offline now and you'll be holding a class, just like one of the webinars I usually host. You can be offline and be holding a class. So how are you going to do it? This is, you're just going to set up the date, the time. You can set time interval of how you want your what's it called, your class to be set, and then you can do a lot of things. You can use this as kind of email marketing form. So this is it. If people enter your GM or people sign up, if you are placing adverts, I'm just going to put the link of that offline automation website, and I'm just going to allow them to store their contact on that website. So their contact is already on a list. It's just like an email list. Have you ever subscribed to someone's email list before? So as that person sends emails to you every day, and then the person can subscribe. Can you imagine? So the automation will be doing the work for you. The offline automation will be doing the work for you, sending messages to your contacts when you are offline. So you can put off your phone for years, and you still be you still be communicating with customers. So that's how it's done. So now let's just check. Let's check what's in here. Okay, let's enter the group now. So I'm going to be scrolling from that right now. So let's go to offline automation. Oh no, I'm going to crop this part of the video because I won't let you see that link. So okay, this is a video on what how to save contacts, save contacts. This video is how to tag all members. This video is how to saving contact as well. This is WhatsApp HTTP video. This is how to play broadcast junks. Okay, let's continue. Okay, we move. Okay, I've scrolled too much. This is welcome to the paid team, and then let's start scrolling down. So building community. Imagine this is a 11 minute voice note on how to build communities, how to stay contact automatically from group. This is already an application under it. This is for okay. Some applications you need to do some editing. When your WhatsApp is automated, I've never hired a graphic designer for anything. You save a lot of money when you're a WhatsApp automation expert. You save a lot of money doing business. In fact, you don't need to invest anything when you're doing WhatsApp business. That's the unique thing about WhatsApp business. You don't need to invest most of the time. People will get the most out of WhatsApp automation. They don't invest. They just use people around them, and that's how it's done. So going viral, let's scroll. Okay. See, if I continue scrolling, you just be finding like all this information. But let's just go back here. So let's go back. So if you're not in the WhatsApp group, this is the WhatsApp group. So here is everything you're going to learn. Imagine it is just loaded. If you are going to buy WhatsApp automation course, someone else, 5K course or 2K course, what they're just going to do is they will send you a PDF file, and once they send you a PDF file, then start navigating, you start looking for the videos. It's in fact Google Drive is a very, very bad application to watch videos and like this. But when you have the videos sent into a Telegram group, you can always visit it. Imagine I'm sacrificing three good WhatsApp group for this. Can you see? Okay, if you move to the left side here, you can find this is WhatsApp automation golden group, this is WhatsApp automation bronze group, and this is WhatsApp automation diamond group. You can just imagine. So that's how it's done. So that's the about that. This is the main Instagram automation group you want to do for Instagram automation class as well, and it's also loaded. It's just like how this is done. So practical videos, photos, write-ups. It's just so loaded for that particular amount. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you get your WhatsApp automation course today, or that your phone will blow. So thank you very much for watching. My name is Shay Ezekiel once again. Goodbye.